Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty. I got another boot review for you. So I was sent these boots by HISEA or HISEA. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's HISEA. In fact, there it is, right there on the bottom of the boot. Let's get that lighting good for you. Ooh, there she is. Man, beautiful. So I was sent these boots, full disclosure, fair warning, however you want to say that. I was sent these boots for free to try out. They did not pay me for my review, and they have no say in how this review goes. So that being said, let's get into the boots. As you can see, the laces are missing on this boot. They're shredded on this one. The laces are absolute garbage. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Within probably 4 weeks of having the boot, they already started to fray. This outside kind of shielding on the lace just kind of evaporated and disintegrated. And then here about, 2 weeks ago, this one finally busted. And so I removed this lace just for the simple fact that I needed to order it and I needed to know the lace length. That being said, while the laces are utter garbage, I have actually been shocked at how comfortable these boots are, and I've also been shocked at how well they've worn. So I've been wearing these for about 4 months, and I've been doing real work. So these have been in the mud because I'm here in Michigan. I have been wiring the new studio that we're in the middle of building, so I've been doing a ton of ladder work and on concrete. Now it's finished concrete, so it's smooth. But at the same time, I've taken these off-road through some pretty rough stuff, and as you can see, again, I'll show you the sole of the boot. It still looks brand new. I mean, there's no gouges in it. I don't see even the texture on the actual surface here. It's only starting to wear kind of around the edges here. And that's after 4 months of, these are my daily drivers. I don't wear tennis shoes for the most part, especially in the wintertime. So these are every day I'm wearing these boots, and I'm doing a lot of walking. So I've been really, really impressed with the wear. The comfort is, these are actually really comfortable boots. I've been very impressed at how comfortable they are. My one complaint is they don't have a calf high option. And so these are only ankle high boots. And let's be honest, in the mud, in the dirt industry, you need to have a calf high option. And that's, Rick and I both had the exact same complaint. Rick has a pair as well that he's been wearing, and really our review is the exact same. We kind of got together before I decided to make this video and kind of talked. He has the non-steel toe version. I have the steel toe version, and both of us have the exact same thoughts. They're very comfortable to wear. They wear great. Like I said, the bottom of these things look brand new still. So we're very satisfied, but both of us really wish that they had a calf high option. He had the exact same problem with his laces. So I'm just going to tell you right now, if you get these boots, which they're really affordable, by the way, that's the whole other thing. I want to say these boots go for around $50 to $60 a pair. So you're on par with the Brahmas or some of the other Walmart brands. But these, in my opinion, are a far better quality boot than the Brahmas. These wear better. They're way more comfortable. The insole itself, I don't know if you remember from the Brahma boot review, but the insoles on these things, I mean, like, those are real. Those are thick. They're comfortable. They actually have some sponginess to them. You're not feeling the rivets in the bottom of the boot like you were with the Brahmas. I absolutely had to go buy aftermarket insoles for the Brahmas because they were that bad. So these are just overall a very comfortable boot. If you are in a northern climate, these things are not insulated at all. My feet did okay this winter, but again, I have the steel toe version, so my toes were getting pretty dang cold. So these are not insulated. You're going to need a different boot if you have a winter climate job and you need something for the winter. I would not necessarily recommend these, but man, for an affordable work boot that's going to work well, I would say even in your most rough conditions, you're probably going to get a couple, if not 3 years of use out of these boots. And even there, it really depends on what you're doing. Yeah, if you're a guy in the trenches that you're walking across, 1x3 crushed concrete all the time, you're probably going to wear them out significantly quicker than someone that's running a machine or is working in the dirt all the time. So, mileage is going to vary, but I can tell you, I'm thrilled to death with the quality of these boots. I've been super happy about the overall boot, with the exception of the fact that the laces were garbage and they need to have a calf high option. So that being said, check in the description. You will have a link for these suckers and all of their selection. And by the way, we just happened to buy my 8-year-old a set of these HISEA boots totally independent of this review. So they sent me these, and then my wife, totally independent, bought my 8-year-old son a pair, and they are fantastic. Like, I cannot recommend these boots enough if you have kids that are kind of in that 8 to 12 to 15 range, and maybe even going down to 6. I don't even know what sizes they have because mom bought them. But these are great boots for kids. If you got your kid out on the job site with you and he needs a set of work boots, really, really affordable boots, and they fit really well in those age groups. So as always, I hope this has been helpful as you guys, we kind of kick off another season here as everyone's looking for a new pair of work boots for the year. I would definitely say if you don't mind having ankle height boots and you got an extra set of laces laying around, give these things a shot. They're absolutely worth the money. So that being said, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.